is for apple, juicy and ripe. B is for ball, bouncing ahead. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for duck, quacking by the wall. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for giraffe, reaching high. H is for house under the sky. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, dancing to the beat. K is for kite, flying free. L is for line, roaring with glee. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for octopus, 8 arms wide. P is for panda with stripes to hide. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow colors abound. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging in sight. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin, music to fly. W is for whale, swimming so grand. X is for xylophone, played by hand. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. Z is for zebra, stripes wild and free.